the Delhi police found an improvised explosive device or IED inside a bag in Delhi's old Simapuri. The bag was recovered from an abandoned house where bomb squad and fire brigade teams were rushed after the Delhi police special cell zeroed in on it during an investigation. A team from the Rohini Forensic Science Laboratory is conducting forensic investigations at the apartment. The National Security Guard has taken the IED away with them and will defuse it in an open area. The owner of the apartment is a contractor named Qasim, whose father had recently passed away. He had rented the apartment to 3 to 4 young men who have now fled. The Delhi Police Special Cell had intercepted several dozen suspicious phone calls that led them to the spot. The Ministry of External Affairs said today that it has no immediate plans to evacuate Indian nationals from Ukraine even as fears mount that a Russian invasion of the country could take place any day. Earlier in the day, the government removed restrictions on the number of flights operating between India and Ukraine under the air bubble arrangement. On the military build-up at the Russia-Ukraine border, the Foreign Ministry said that it supported an immediate de-escalation of tensions and hoped the issue would be resolved through sustained diplomatic dialogue. The Ministry of External Affairs has summoned Singapore's envoy to India, Simon Wong, over remarks made by the country's Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong in Parliament on Wednesday. Addressing Singapore's Parliament on Wednesday, Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong had invoked Jawaharlal Nehru to argue how a democracy should function. He made the statement during a debate over a committee report on complaints against a former Workers' Party lawmaker. Making his first appearance at an election rally, Samajwadi Party patriarch Mulayam Singh Yadav today sought votes for his son Akhilesh Yadav, promising that his party will fulfill the aspirations of the people. Yadav said the people want that the problems of poverty and unemployment are resolved and his party's policies are very clear on these issues. He appealed to the people to ensure the victory of SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav. Incidentally, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also campaigned with Baghel almost simultaneously in this constituency today at a poll rally about 3 kilometers away.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.